I wrote just a few rules in Python, and out of pure chaos, life emerged. Let me show you how to build this from scratch and scale it to thousands of particles. This is not an animation, and not some physics engine. It's 1,000 dots, and each one knows a single rule: who to attract and who to repel. Watch how cells, hunters, and entire ecosystems appear on their own. The only dependency here is numpy. A single pip install and you're ready. We start with the state. Every particle has a position, a velocity, and a species. But the heart of the whole system is this attraction matrix. Just random numbers from -1 to 1. They decide who is a friend and who is an enemy. Now the force. Up close, every particle repels the others, otherwise they would collapse into a single point. Beyond that, the matrix takes over attraction or repulsion along a simple tent curve. Just a couple of lines, and that's the entire law of physics here. And here's where almost everyone gets stuck. A naive double loop over all pairs of particles dies at 100 points. I compute every interaction at once, vectorized with numpy and einsum. That gives a tens of times speed up and keeps thousands of particles running in real time. Change one single matrix and you get a completely new world. Nothing here is hand-drawn. All of this complexity grew on its own, from random numbers. The full code is in the description. Run it and build your own universe. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, there's much more to come. Which algorithm should I bring to life next? Tell me in the comments.